The new Cimatron E11 assembly mirror automatically detects whether a component can either be simply copied and rotated or mirrored. It replaces the mirror part tool that existed in previous versions. Parts coloured in sky blue are a copy, and parts coloured in pink are mirrored. Cimatron E also knows whether the entire subassembly is a rotated copy or a mirror. In this case, the system recognized that only one lifter subassembly can be completely copied and rotated. The other two subassemblies will be created as mirrored subassemblies due to the parts marked in pink. The result is two new mirrored subassemblies with an identical assembly structure as the original subassemblies, containing the new copied and mirrored parts in them. The third subassembly with all its components is created as a copy. In all cases, the BOM table is automatically updated with the new added components and the number of the new copied parts.